Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput. Today we are discussing about fermentation. What is the fermentation? Fermentation is an anaerobic process in which energy can be released from glucose even through oxygen is not available. Fermentation occur in yeast cell, and a form of a fermentation take place in a bacteria and a muscle cells of animals. There are two type of fermentation techniques. One is solid state fermentation and second one is submerged fermentation. This is the solid state fermenter. This is diagram of solid phase fermenter. How to liquid supply from this fermenter. How to mixing in paddle type of mixing fermenter. Though this is the design of solid phase fermenter. Selection of microorganism. How when we are doing fermentation, how to select bacteria, yeast, and what kind of fermented which can be done by the microorganism. In this is the one of key factor for improvement yield of product. Bacteria, yeast, filamentous fungi can be used. Filamentous fungi has shown better result growing in the solid substrate fermentation. Substrate Substrate also plays important role in determining the growth of microorganism, thereby increasing the product yield. Substrate is chosen such a way that is should provide physical support and as well nutrient also growing in this substrate culture. Example of solid state fermentation. These are the example for mushroom production. Substrate are straw, manure, microorganism are oriceous in soya sauce, in cheese, in tempeh, leaching of metals and organic acids. Uh, these are the examples of the production of by the solid state fermenter, and these are the substrates and these are the microorganisms which are using in these productions. Solid phase fermenter. Solid substrate fermenter has a defined as a fermentation process occurring in a absence or near absence of free water. Solid state fermentation is another method used by the production of enzyme which involve the cultivation of microorganism on a solid substrate such as the grain, rice, and wheat. Submerged fermentation. In submerged process, the substrate used for fermentation is always in liquid state which contain nutrients need for growth. In fermenter which contain the substrate is operate continuously on the product. Biomass continuously harvested from the fermenter and filtered by the centrifugation, and then further we are dried. Submerged fermentation is the method of manufacturing biomolecule in which enzymes and another reactive compounds are submerged in a liquid such as alcohol, oil, and nutrient broth. Fermentation process. There are two kind of fermentation: batch fermentation and continuous fermentation. In batch fermentation process, nutrients are added in a fermentation for the single time only. The growth continues until the particular nutrient are exhausted, and this is the batch fermentation diagram. In further we are discussing about in next lecture continuous fermentation. Thank you.